best part about teaching is watching the success of your graduates. We've had many students from around the world over the years, and it's been absolutely wonderful to follow the success that these graduates have had. We've seen strange and unusual crops like turmeric and ginger being grown. I love it when families get their children involved in aquaponics, where kids can get their hands wet working in the garden, learning what plants they can grow. One of my favorites is when a small backyard project becomes an aquaponic farm, providing crops to the community through farmers markets. And for those of you that don't already know what aquaponics is, it's a beautiful fusion between farming fish and raising plants, where the fish provide the nutrients for the plants while the plants filter the water returning to the fish. Climate change, drought, destructive farming practices, lowering water tables are just a few of the reasons aquaponics has become so popular. Conventional farms require deeper and deeper wells to be dug, while aquaponics uses 90% less water, enabling 20 times the crops to be grown in the same amount of space. Chemical fertilizers are not required, and pesticides can't be used in order to protect the fish from harm. This results in plants and vegetables that are truly clean and green. In this video, I'd like to highlight two fellow graduates, Jed Davis and Chris Thompson, at their farm, Aqua Gardens.
Now I'm growing plants in water, and it's the core of my life. Aquaponics is the most sustainable form of agriculture.
All living things are made of 75% water. The surface of the earth is covered in 75% water. It is life. So it's important to save water and keep it clean.
It's a recirculating system. So the water flows out of the fish tanks, feeds the plants filter the water, and it flows back into the fish tanks.
Our permaculture-based approach to aquaponics inspires students to come up with designs of their own that are far more regenerative than traditional aquaponic systems. Worm bins, composting systems, even growing aquatic plants helps them to create their own fish feed on site. Additionally, a wood gasifier is utilized to provide supplemental heating in the winter while providing biochar as a valuable byproduct. Congratulations to the entire Aqua Gardens family.